Unang nakita yung Coke?
Nakita ko yung commercial sa Facebook. Yun.
Ba't sa Facebook mo nakita? Ba't hindi sa TV?
Kasi nasa Taiwan tayo.
Tapos,
Papanood yun.
anong unang reaction mo nung nakita mo yung video?
Well, umiyak ako. Nakita mo naman? Ano ka ba? Pats naman hindi naman dapat yun interview. It's like a pillow talk. The idea of this is like a pillow talk. Kung paano lang tayo nag-uusap. That's just how it is.
So, ano,
Kahit na pangit yung shots, ganyan.
anong gusto mong sabihin tungkol dun sa commercial?
I like the commercial. Sa totoo lang. I really like it. Because it's real. And it's happening. It's usually the common problems that we're seeing every day here.
Sabi kasi nung iba, like Christmas, Valentine, holidays. Dito kasi, naglalatch yung mga advertisers usually. Ang point naman nila kasi magbenta ng produkto. Ang nagiging problema lang, yung emotions, nahahaluan ng kulay ng pag-consume. So, in this manner, ayan yung Coke, 'di ba? O sige, hindi kasi pure rin yung ano nila yung point eh. Kasi, uy, may feast agad, uy, may Coke, uy, may kakain sila, uy, may Coke. So, there's that na Coke. At ang nangyayari nga is, parang ilang beses na nabiktima yung OFW. Ngayon naman, yung Coke, na mukhang nag-aano sila, sumusuporta, nag-sponsor pa uwi, ganyan. But, ano ba yung intention nila? Ang intention ba talaga ay ipakita yung karanasan ng OFW o mag-promote ng product?
Yeah, I know.
That's one thing.
That's the reality of it. I mean, it's an advertisement. I mean, you can't expect Coke to do all these things and not put their brand on it. But the thing is, those people are real. Yun lang yung sinasabi ko. That's just the point that I'm driving at. And yung mga experiences nila, it really happens. So,
Yeah.
it's, for me kasi, it's so much easy to point fingers sa corporation agad. When in fact, yung society natin, we've been thinking of these kinds of themes as a society for the longest time, and nobody is questioning that. But if may dumating na corporation na they decided to put their brand on it, I mean, tsaka magiging, ang sama kasi yung Coke, ganito. They're commoditizing. But the problem has been there ever since.
Yeah, pero
nobody's questioning why do Filipinos have to bring their balikbayan boxes? Why do we have to ganito?
Ang sinasabi ko is, don't say that it reflects the reality of it. Because at the other end of it, may mga OFW rin na mas nakagawian na yung buhay abroad at ayaw na talagang umuwi at gusto na lang at tinuturing lang na obligatory na bagay ang pagbisita sa pamilya. Yung iba may pamilya na mismo sa ibang bansa. So, this is just the sanitized version of OFW reality. We're questioning what about other valid stories.
Yeah, totoo. Totoo naman. I'm not saying that what you're saying is wrong. Yeah. There's so many things that's happening. And it's beyond dun sa present nila. Pero I'm also not saying na what they presented is parang padded reality or a glamorized reality. Kasi it's not. It may be the successful ones, but which is not really successful kasi they've been there and they can't go home and they have to parang hope and dream na merong isang would take them back home and it happened to be Coke. Pero yun nga, it's a depressing fact.